So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change the country or the region on the app store so that you can access the app that are not available in your country. Now in order to do it, simply open the app store on your iPhone. Once you do that, on this top right corner you have to click on the option of your profile pictures. When you click over there, here you'll see your profile option. Just simply click on your profile picture on this on the top of the screen. Simply click over there, and once you do that, here you'll see another page where you need to scroll down, and here you'll see this option that says country/region. Simply click over there and select the country as per your preference, the region that you want to use. And once you do that, and it may require you to restart your iPhone, and your country will be resetted. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.